Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Hey, girly, how are you? Hey. All right, so so really quickly, I was supposed to come on earlier today or whatever else, but I got a little sidetracked today. But how I want to say this. So these are like 4 questions I feel that you should ask yourself if you're not getting the type of results that you want inside of your business, whether you're lacking sales, leads, signups, getting clients, anything like that, guys, right? So by asking yourself these 4 questions, it's going to really kind of determine how you are showing up inside of your business to get results, right? So the first one is, like, are you showing up as a leader, right? So think about anybody that you're following online. Maybe you're following me, maybe some other online marketer or somebody who's having a lot of success inside of their business. What is the reason why you are following them, right? More than likely you're following them because they're being visible, right? They're doing live streams, they're doing a video, maybe they're showing social proof of the results that they got, or maybe like a testimonial from somebody who's worked with them and they got a lot of results, right? So those are some of the things that made that person really attractive to you. And that's the reason why you follow them, right? Because they put out a lot of value. Maybe they have blog posts. They're putting out valuable emails. They're always putting out value to, help anyone who needs success inside of their business, right? So are you doing anything similar to what they are doing? If you're not, then you're not showing up to your business, right? If they're doing all this stuff to be more visible and provide value and help people, if you're lacking that in your marketing, then trust me, you're not being attractive to whoever you're trying to talk to about your business, right? People are attracted to leaders. They want to join leaders. They want to join people that they feel is going to help them inside of their business. It's going to help them to have success. And if you're telling somebody, oh, I just joined this business or I promote this opportunity, but they come to your Facebook wall or something like that, and all they see is just junk. Maybe when you played a poker game, an online poker game, you're talking smack about somebody, you're talking about reality TV, you're talking about everything else except for the business. Nothing about what you're posting is making you attractive. So guess what's going to happen? They're going to find somebody else who is doing the work, who is showing up, right? So you have to make sure that you are showing up as a leader. Show up as the imagination of your higher true. Absolutely, Simon. Absolutely, right? And that's why I know a lot of us, we always say, you have to step outside of your comfort zone. You have to step outside of yourself in order to have success when it comes to online business. Because if you can get sales and make tons of money being exactly who you are right now, you will already have everything that you desire. The reason why you don't have the things that you desire is because you're not doing the things that's going to make you to have results, right? So you have to definitely step outside of yourself, step into your greatness in order for you to get results. And you have to show up like a leader, right? And you don't have to know everything about online business. Just by you being active on social media and telling people, hey guys, I just joined this business, a few days ago. I had a few sales. I'm learning some things about it. And the things that I learned over time, I'm going to share with you all because I know this information is going to be really, really powerful to you all. And if you just go about it that route, just sharing things that you have learned, even if you go to YouTube University, you read some emails or something like that, right? And you get some value, hop onto a live stream, do a recorded video, something like that, post it to your Facebook, and just give value, share value, be helpful to others. You don't have to know everything right off the bat to be a leader, but you have to start to stand out, right? Start doing those things that will help you to stand out. Hey, Glenn, how are you? Hey, Maxine, what's going on? Yeah, absolutely. So you definitely want to do those things as well. Let's see. And I think that's the second question. Like, are you presenting yourself as someone who could help a person to have success in their business? So I already kind of covered that a little bit. The third question you want to ask yourself is, how much action are you taking daily, right? So are you just showing up a little bit? Are you even being active in Facebook communities where your potential audience is, right? So like for me, I'm an affiliate marketer. So of course I'm inside of affiliate marketing groups on Facebook. I'm active in those groups. I help to answer questions that people have or whatever else, right? So are you doing those type of things inside of your business? Or are you just kind of just showing up whenever you feel like it, right? We have enough hours every single week, right? We have 168 hours per week that we are blessed with in order to, you know, live our lives, build our business, do all that type of stuff. If you're working a full-time job, that's only 40 hours. You still have plenty of time left during the week to show up inside of your business, right? And to be active. So again, ask yourself, how much action are you taking every single day in order to produce results? In the beginning, it's going to be a little bit slower, especially if you're brand new into this space, into the online marketing space. In the beginning, it's going to be slower because you're trying to build that momentum, right? So you're going to run into a lot of people who's going to tell you, probably going to tell you no. They don't want to join your business. They're not going to comment on your videos. They're not going to like your posts. They're not going to do anything like that, right? But it doesn't mean that they're not watching. Everybody is always watching everything that you do. And they're watching to see what you're going to do. So if you just joined a business, right, and you're not, like I said, you're not being active or whatever else, and you talking about some other random stuff, they're just going to feel like, okay, well, you weren't going to do shit with it anyway. That's the reason why I joined you in the first place. That's the mindset, right? But think about if you are coming and showing up every single day for the next 30 days, the next 45 days. Trust me, all those people who told you no will be in your inbox asking you about your business, trying to get your link and join your business, buy your coaching, buy your services, whatever it is that you're providing, right? So you have to make sure that you are showing up and taking a lot of action every single day. Even if you don't know what you're doing sometimes, just take a lot of action and just show up every single day, right? And then the last thing you want to ask yourself is, are you taking initiative to become the best in your business, or are you just waiting to be told what to do, right? If you can take the initiative, and just step out in faith into your marketing, into your business, and then just, like I said, connect with your audience, put information out there that you think will be really helpful to people, you're going to have a lot of success. If you are simply just waiting for your sponsor, your coach, whoever, just to sit there and wait for them to tell you something, you're wasting a lot of time, right? You have to step into that leader role, take initiative, and just go for it, right? Just go for it. You can't sit here and wait on another adult to tell you what to do. That's not the reason why you came and looked into an online business, right? Most of us, like I know for me, 4 years ago, I had a full-time job. I was tired of people telling me what to do. So the last thing I'm going to do is when I come into the online space is sit around and wait for somebody to tell me what to do, right? I made that mistake, no lie. I made that mistake the first year I was online, the first year of 2013. But when I started to take more initiative, like I got guidance from like mentors and things like that, but I had to take the initiative and show up every single day. I wasn't waiting for them to come, like, call and check in or, inbox me on Facebook. Hey, did you do this today? Did you do this today? Did you do this today? They can't do that because they have to build their own business, right? So you have to take initiative and show up regardless, right? Show up at all effing times, pretty much, right? So, let me see. Maxine, well, you just have to change that. That's why I created that team chat, Maxine, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in our team training tonight for MyEcon reps. It's going to be inside of our group. That's what I'm going to talk about tonight, pretty much inside of our training. So just make sure you be there for that. And if you're not, it's going to be recorded and it'll just be posted inside of that group anyways. So you'll be pretty good. And as a matter of fact, I want to send a shout out to Jennifer. She's actually on my team. She actually joined my team last week, and she's already about to rank up in her first week, less than like her first 7 days inside of MyEcon. So she is going to be kicking a lot of ass. I already can tell because she's coming out the gate already winning pretty much, right? So that's what I really want to share with you all, guys. Let me see. So if you're trying to... What are you talking about, Chuck? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm going to post it and I'll see it after this, when I shut off this live stream or whatever else. But I'm not sure what you mean, Chuck. But make sure you're on that team training tonight. It's going to happen at 8 o'clock tonight, okay? So that's what I really want to share with you all, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. Like I've been mentioning off and on my my Facebook, I am promoting MyEcon and Income Shift Pro. If you are in the United States and you want to be a part of something that has completely gone viral on social media, I can definitely help you out if you join my team. And I'll show you exactly what I'm doing that's getting me 1 or 2 sales on automation for MyEcon and about 1 to 3 sales per day with Income Shift Pro. I can definitely show you that, show you all that information, guys, if you partner with me and my team. And then also I'll give you my additional bonuses and yada, yada, yada. So just comment below or just inbox me and I'll give you all those details. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Peace.